In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save thousands on Google Ads by reducing wasted spend starting today. We'll guide you through a straightforward process that will help you optimize your Google Ads campaign efficiently. Let's dive right in and make the most of your advertising budget. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is where you'll manage your campaigns and track progress. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on this link and log into your Google Ads account. If you've forgotten your password, take a moment to recover it. It's crucial to ensure you have access to all the necessary features of your account. After logging in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage. From here, let's turn our attention to the top menu bar. You'll see a range of options, and what we want next is the Tools menu. Clicking on Tools will reveal several advanced features that can help you manage your campaigns more effectively. Within the Tools drop-down, look for an option labeled Bulk Actions. This is where you can create, edit, and manage scripts that automate some processes in your Google Ads account, making your work more efficient and less prone to human error. Click on Bulk Actions to take you to the next stage of our setup. Once you're in the bulk action section, the next step is to access the scripts feature. Scripts are essentially code snippets that can automate routine tasks within your Google Ads campaigns, helping you save both time and money. Click on scripts to proceed to the area where you'll manage these valuable tools. Now with scripts open, you should see an option to create a new script. Click on it and this is where the magic begins. By creating a new script, you will have the capability to automate many aspects of your ad management, ensuring more accurate adjustments and efficient budget use. To ease into this, we'll start by using pre-existing templates, which can be customized later to fit your specific needs. Click on Start from a Template to access a collection of scripts designed to enhance your Google Ads experience. These templates can be extremely useful if you're new to scripting. In the template section, you'll see a variety of options tailored to different functions within Google Ads. Find one that suits your requirements and click on Script Templates to explore the options available. These templates can help you automate actions like pausing underperforming keywords and ads, adjusting bids based on performance, or even generating reports to track your campaign's effectiveness. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to reducing wasted spend and optimizing your Google Ads campaign significantly, thus saving thousands of dollars. Remember, the key is not just to implement changes, but to continuously monitor and adjust your strategies based on performance. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you find these tips helpful for your advertising success.